So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. This is still for the video that I'm making, or the video that I had already made. I'm gonna just add this to the clip. This is braided wire loom. Look. Oh, this is not gonna load, bro. That's everything I got. That's the price I paid. 100 and you could say 149. So this is supposed to be 100 feet. I got a braided wire loom for it. I believe I got every size they had. Well, every size they offered in stock. There's a blue one. Look at that. What size is this? It's 1/8. So basically, I have sizes going all the way to some like speaker wire. You know, just some speaker wire, all the way up to 0 gauge. So you guys can just imagine, like the thickness of it. Not the thickness, but like the size. See that? Look at that. And you guys, it just keeps on going. This has to be a 1/2 inch. Oh, this is 3/4. 3/4 is a big. It's just big as fuck. All right, and then like the blue one. In my opinion, the blue one looks kind of dope. Like, watch. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open one red one and one blue one. That way you guys can see the comparison between each other. Okay, so that's the red one. There you go. Here you look. This is a blue one right here. And this is the red one right here. So, alright YouTube, I'm back. So I'm currently in the truck, you guys. So I just got one of my other packages. This is like the last piece of the puzzle. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys down. That way I could get the Amazon box and open it and show you guys what I got. That's just pretty big. Okay. Alright, give me 1 second, you guys. Let me finish getting everything out. So let me show you guys one by one. So you guys already know I got another this brand Blaupunk 0 gauge. I know there's other better like wire, but this is the kit that I used, and this is the kit that, you know, I'm not gonna say I'll vouch for them or anything, but it's, you know, I haven't had no issues. So I bought a third kit. This is my third one right already. All right, let's put that to the side. And then right here I got the capacitor. It's a 18 farads, or however you pronounce it, like that. It's a Bose, whatever you guys want to call it. The reason why I went with this one is because I don't really know too much about capacitors, and again, I got this off of Amazon. This one had better reviews than all the other ones. I was gonna go with the Stinger, but like I said, this one had better reviews than that one, so I went with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that comes with it. I'm not gonna unbox the 0 gauge wire because I already did, and I made a previous video about that. Oh look, yeah, that's crazy. Look at that. Yeah, that's a trip. All right, so let me go ahead and open this, and I'll show you guys. So that's how it looks, the brand. Off the bat, you guys, I think mine's used pretty much, bro, because this shit, it had fingerprints. I mean, I don't care, you know, like, it's whatever. It's just, if it don't work, or partly because of that. Anyways, let me go ahead and show you guys the side without trying to fuck up my speakers. Okay. Oh shit, you guys can see me. So it takes 0 gauge. There's just like a little fitting that goes in here. So this goes from 10 gauge all the way to 0 gauge. This kit right here. Put that up there, and then it also comes with the terminals, Allen key, screws, and also comes with that blue thing that's called the resistor. You're gonna need that to charge the. You're gonna need the resistor to charge the capacitor. So now what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm gonna, now that I have my wire, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hook that up. And when I finish hooking that up, I will show the process as well of how to hook up the capacitor. I'm not gonna show how to hook up that freaking wire loom shit, you know, it's common sense. Or who knows, I probably might show you guys, but stay tuned. Alright guys, so it's currently the next morning. I went ahead and I finished everything. I didn't finish till late last night because you know, it's getting dark and shit. I forgot to charge my my Milwaukee batteries because I had like the rocket light and stuff. But let me show you guys real quick. Let me go ahead and move the subwoofer back. That way I could hop over there and show you guys what I did. Alright. So, as you guys can see, I have the amp already mounted in the back, as well as the capacitor. It lights up. It shows the voltage in the bottom. You can't see it because you know, like there's not much room right here, but all the wires are braided, as you guys can see. I braided all the wires. Show you, see, look. See, all the wires are braided. So what I got ahead, what I did was I just push it back, and then, you know, you can only see this, but that's because basically I cut the grounds and the positives too long, so I'm about to go ahead and cut them shorter. But you know, this time it's gonna be easy because I already have everything ran. I just gotta cut it short and then put the wire fur all over it. But yeah, that's it. So I already have that installed. I didn't show you guys how I charged the resistor, but basically what I did was, you're not supposed to do it this way, but I got kind of lazy. So what I did was I hooked everything up right here. So I hooked everything up. Always remember to remove your not remove. Oh yeah, always remember to disconnect your guys's battery terminals. No, not the battery terminals. To disconnect your guys's wires from the battery. In this case, this is my battery for the sound system, so I went ahead and unplugged all that. And like I said, I connected everything back there. Everything back there was connected, and then I connected everything here. Turn on the truck for it to charge. You're not supposed to do that, but like I said, you know, I just got lazy with it, I guess, and charged up. I was doing some tests last night. Right now, what it reads right now, you guys, it's at 15 point something volts. Okay, but when I'm bumping, it doesn't go below 13 volts. So like the lowest it'll go is probably like 13.3 volts. So that's how I know it worked. Anyways, that was it. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, comment for more content. Bigger things are coming to the 6.2. This is just something, you know, always wanted 215s. So thanks for watching.
Y en una 454 por San Luis Río Colorado seguido me ven llegar. Cuando hay chance en el trabajo para tirar el relajo, en la morada me gusta andar, quemando llanta como en mi estilo.